Okay, so you have an awesome product or a brilliant idea, but now you want to present it to the world and watch your sales skyrocket. But how do you do that? Creating a website or presentation with just text and pictures isn't going to help you at all, because no one has the time to sit and read, and everyone loves to watch videos now. And that's where we come in. We create amazing explainer videos, just like this one, that allow you to capture your customers' attention in a way that's quick, powerful, and creates real conversion.